To install the KeyFit 35 or KeyFit Max without a base, your vehicle must have a seatbelt locking mode. Make sure the vehicle is on a level surface, then place the child restraint so that the level line is level with the ground and is not blocking the seatbelt buckle. Next, thread the vehicle seatbelt up and slide it into the seatbelt guide on the side of the child restraint. Pull the seatbelt down and slide it into the seatbelt guide on the opposite side of the child restraint. Buckle the seatbelt. An optional shoulder belt guide is on the back of the child restraint. This offers additional stability when installing without the base. To do this, ensure the child restraint is placed and buckled. Pull the shoulder belt out and slide it around the back of the child restraint. Thread the shoulder belt through the shoulder belt guide. Then guide the shoulder belt around the carrier. Then switch the shoulder belt into locked mode. While pushing down on the child restraint, pull up on the shoulder belt to remove all the slack from the vehicle lap belt. If you do not wish to use the optional shoulder belt guide, pull out all the shoulder belt webbing to put it into locked mode. Then, while pushing down on the child restraint, pull up on the shoulder belt to remove all the slack from the vehicle lap belt. Check your work before every use. Hold the child restraint at each side and pull side to side and forward. It should not move more than 1 inch from the vehicle seat back or side to side. Ensure the carry handle is placed in a locked position. Make sure that the carrier is level so that the child's head does not fall forward. Always check that the car seat is secure before every use.